Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Welcome back, everyone. Ray Ferraro down at ice level. My name is James Cebulski. The EA Sports broadcast team is fired up to bring you this one here tonight. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Team Belarus is in now. Sends the pass over with the stop. And now he tries to get it across to Hall. Belarus looks to move the puck from their own end. That's off a stick. And a good use of the body to knock the puck loose. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Hall. Slides the puck over. Steps into it. Comes up with the stop. Taken along the wall by Hall. Great read to break up the play. Sends the pass over. And now he angles it across to Doughty. Shot takes it right in the chest. And there's the whistle, giving him a chance to exhale. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. And now he moves it quickly to Tavares. Oh, great glove save! Where'd that come from? Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Canada's got the puck along the wall. Passes right to the front. Stopped by the goaltender.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck.
Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Picks it off. They go back on the attack and makes the save.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
Here's a shot. Makes the stop with the blocker. Back to the blue line. Puck picked up by Weber. Works it across to Marchand. Handles the puck. Blocker save. Here's a short pass to Marchand. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. Along the half wall with the puck. Snaps it onto the net. Gets a stick on it. Quick pass to Marchand. Here's a chance. Gets in front of it. Team Canada's got it, and they're on the attack. Here's a blast. Standing tall with the save. Through center along the wing. Canada's looking to break out of their own end. Slides it diagonally to Getzlaf. Shot! Oh, what a beautiful glove save! Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Denies them in front. Right in front of the net. Here's a backhander and another stop. And he slides it quickly to Pietrangelo. Unbeatable. Team Canada's got the puck along the boards. Centering pass. Comes up with the blocker save.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
Tries to get the puck over to Seguin. Subban's carrying it ahead. Puts it on net. Glove save. Taken by McKinnon. Big save by the goaltender once again.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
McDavid's won the draw. Moves it to Shabbat. Blocked in traffic. Moves it around along the half wall. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. And now it's grabbed by Tavares. Team Belarus has got the puck in their own end. On the attack along the boards. Here's a shot. Goaltender gave him nothing as it goes off the side of the net. Nears the blue line and looks to set up at the point. Giroux's got it in the offensive end. Puts it on net. Glove save. Quick reflexes. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Referee signaling delayed penalty. Looks like hooking will be the call. And let's see what the definitive call is on the ice. This is a good old-fashioned hooking the call here.
He looked like he was water skiing. Man, you got to move your feet. You get your stick around his waist, you'll get called.
Our first look tonight at their power play unit.
This has been a pretty tightly played game, but now they've earned the game's first power play. So they've got an opportunity to get the first strike on the board. Start with an offensive zone face-off and a chance to get out in front.
And manages to clear the zone. Glides along the blue line. Moved to the middle. Scores! They deliver big time with the man advantage.
Yeah, they use that extra man to their advantage. Move the puck very quickly. That's a nice goal. Man, these burn the coaching staff. When they see a player get open in the high slot, the first thing they're going to look for is who's supposed to be standing near him.
Canada's hard work in this opening period pays off.
Right when the anthem finished, these guys were on it. They've done a really terrific job and are well rewarded for that first goal.
Power play by number 87.
Pass stolen in the open ice.
By number 91.
Makes the move in close. Stopped by the goaltender. Moves it quickly over to Crosby. There's another stop. Team Canada still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Belarus gains a hold of possession. And he gains the zone here. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Carries it across the line. Quick feed to Doughty. Here's a pass down low. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Handles the bank pass from along the boards. With possession along the wall. Back to the point it goes. Moves the puck along the half wall. Keeps hold of the puck. Team Belarus has got the puck along the wall. Comes up with the stop. Another save.
Murray's tracked that puck so well, he's right there to make the save.
And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Puck scooped up by Subban. Picks off the pass. Canada's ready to go on the attack. They've got the defense outnumbered. To his teammate. He scores! PK Subban comes through.
If you're the goalie here, you just want to move as quick as you can. Maybe it'll hit you, but it's so close to the net that pass is on the tape and off the tape in a hurry.
Team Canada's got some breathing room now with 2/3 of this opening frame played through. They lead by 2.
You can use all of your bench now. You've got a couple of goal lead, but don't back off. Still stay aggressive.
From the left side into the middle of the neutral zone. Move to the middle. From the slot, wrist shot, and a huge stop by the goaltender at point-blank range. Canada's up here in the first, and they could easily be up by more based on what they've done offensively. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. From one-point man to another. Turns it away. More than half the frame has been played here. Team Canada's got a 2-goal lead. They'd love to build on it. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. And that one's stopped. Sagan's moving it ahead. From the left side, it moves to the middle of the ice. Getzlaf's got it against the boards. Belarus has it near the wall. Sagan's got it deep in the offensive end. Scores! He stayed with it and buries the rebound.
Nice play to follow his shot. He gets the initial shot, follows it in tight, and is able to beat the goaltender with his own rebound.
Canada's offense has been on fire to start this one, and still lots of time left in the first. Crosby's won the draw here in the neutral zone. Passes over to Crosby. Puts it on net. Makes the save. Trying to get back on the attack now. Here's a short pass to Stamkos. Denies him again.
Oh, he followed the puck really well there. A couple of good stops.
Pass back to the point. Strong use of the body. Moves the puck over to Stamkos. Burns moves it into the attacking end. A chance in front! Stones him in front.
Yeah, he gets out on top of the shooter. There's really nowhere for that puck to go.
Up the neutral zone now. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Moves right to the middle. Shot! Stopped by the goaltender. Team Canada's grabbed a hold of the puck. And they send it right back to him. Here they are on the attack. Hall's got it to the side. Takes the shot. And that banks off a stick. Takes the feed at the back end. Knocked away. Puck grabbed by Hall. Blocked in traffic. Stopped by the goaltender.
Sharp reaction save. He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up. Timed it perfectly.
Canada's taken full advantage of their scoring opportunities with a comfortable lead here in the first. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Giroux's caught with the hook, and the officials saw it. That's not going to fool him. Time for the officials to hand out the judgment. Hooking's the call. This is what they kind of call the lazy penalty these days,
yeah,
right?
It is, but really the problem is you're beat, and you panic, and you're trying to help, and the more you help, the worse it gets. Go sit down.
And he certainly dug himself a hole there. Another chance here on the man advantage.
Well, they've earned another power play, James. Of course, that starts with an offensive zone faceoff. They've had success earlier in the game. They'll want to double up on that now if they can.
And makes the save.
14 minutes, 15 seconds.
And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Stopped by the goaltender.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
Team Canada's been the better team here in this first period, and as a result, they've got a big lead. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Beautiful glove stop on that one. Great reflexes, another save.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
Canada's offense has been on fire to start this one, and still lots of time left in the first. Crosby's won the draw here in the offensive zone. And a great save! Passes right to the front!
Oh, I like this stop here. He makes the save, he looks in control, and the rebound's 30 to 40 feet away.
Denies him in front.
Now, by being in the right position, James, he gets so tight to the shooter, there's nowhere for the puck to go. He's slowly working his way to the bench. Somebody's got to get the door open for him. He's going to need some help.
And now he moves it to Seguin. Gets it out of his own end. Team Canada's got a hold of it along the wall. And now it's over to Giroux. Takes the return feed. Looks to set up at the point now. Now a quick pass to Burns. Makes the save with the trapper. Canada's taken advantage of their opportunities offensively so far here in this first. More shots, more goals. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And he regains control of the puck. Moves the puck. And he comes up with it. Team Canada's offense has been shining brightly so far in this first period. Bergeron's won the faceoff. Quick pass to Ben. Ben's got it across the line. Team Belarus has got control of it now from their own end. Great defensive play to break it up. Stopped by the goaltender. Canada's been the better team here in the late stages of this first period. More shots, more goals. Simple as that. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Nice pass. Moves across the point. And the stick breaks on the shot. Takes it and looks ahead. Takes the feed. Here's a shot. That's gloved by Murray. Team Canada's taken advantage of their opportunities offensively so far here in this first. More shots, more goals. Moves it to Pietrangelo. Getzlaf swooping in on the attack. Moves it around along the half wall. Belarus has it in their own zone. Now he takes it over the line. Oh, set that hit up perfectly. Canada's got a hold of it against the wall. Picks it up, and they turn on the pressure. Team Belarus is looking to break out. Receives the pass. And nearing the final 60 seconds of this opening stanza. It's a 2-on-0. Here's the pass. What a stop by the goalie.
Yeah, he looked really confident out on top of the crease, followed the shooter, and made the stop.
A rocker off the blocker. 32 seconds left on the clock. Just 25 seconds to go here. Takes a shot. Blocker save. Oh, and another big stop.
Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through them.
Team Canada's offense has been shining brightly so far in this first period. Moves it quickly over to McDavid. Centering pass. Sends the pass over. And there's the save. And that'll do it. Period number one is in the books. Lots of offense all coming from one side. It is 3-0 through the first period.
Feeling hungry? Try our Arena restaurant for gourmet dining with great views of the action. Or get a light meal with one of our many grill locations on the concourse.
30 minutes of regulation still to play. We're looking forward to it. Hopefully you are too. Second period set to get underway. Set to get underway here in the second period. We'll see if they can stop the bleeding. Ray, we've already got 20 minutes under our belt here. What are your thoughts of this one so far?
Team Canada's lead is a direct result for the number of turnovers they've created. They have hunted that puck from the very beginning of the game.
And now he tries to get it across to Doughty. And it's a quick pass to Doughty. And he slides it quickly to Stamkos. Takes it across the blue line. Slides the puck over. Here he is in front. Oh, what a stop with the stick.
That's not even a rebound anymore. It's like a cleared puck. Off the goalie and into the corner's a safe place.
Here's a blast. Oh, and comes up with nothing on the play. Slides the puck ahead into the neutral zone. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Sends a pass over. On the attack along the boards. From off the boards, takes the feed inside the zone. Stamkos looks around. Quick feed to Shabbat. Unleashes a cannon. Oh, comes up with the stop.
Canada's relentless physical play has helped them get the lead in this game.
Canada's offense has come to play in a big way as they dominated both the shots and goal category. McDavid's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. With the stop. Coughs it up on the play. Team Canada's got the puck. Giroux's got the puck. Right in the slot. Tavares setting up against the wall. Over the line they come. Slides it back to the blue line. Trapper save! Canada's been all over them here in this second period. Just look at the score, and they have dominated in the shot clock too. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Lowers the boom with that hit. And that's picked off. Here's a short pass to Bergeron. Here's a chance. Ben's going to play it against the half wall. Quick pass to Marchand. Big save. Save made by the goalie.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of them.
Team Canada's been the more aggressive team offensively. Look at the shot clock and just look at the score. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Handles the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Bergeron. Marchand's got it along the boards. Moves it to Bergeron. Drives it to the front of the net. And that one's turned away. Plays the puck up ahead. Slides the puck over to Marchand. Laying the body. Stops him with a glove.
Certain saves are more difficult than others. This one right from the slot is turned aside. That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Canada's offense has come to play in a big way as they dominated both the shots and goal category. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Oh, he stopped that one. That was a fireball. Petrangelo's got it in the defensive end. Puck sent across the blue line. No room for that one to get through. From off the wall and onto his stick. Petrangelo's got it into offensive territory. Fires one, and he makes the save. Takes the pass. The lane was plugged. Scores! Wow, this is unbelievable.
goals. They dominated this play. Sometimes you just got to put your hands up and say, I can't do any more than that. He did all he could to try and stop that puck.
Team Canada's offense came to play in a big way tonight, Ray.
Lots of times it's either the offense or the defense that is happy. Tonight, it's both of them. They've owned both ends of the rink.
Scored by number 50, Ryan Getzlaff.
Shabbat's got it in the offensive zone.
And by number 27, Alex Pietrangelo.
Here's a chance on the doorstep. Comes up with the stop. From the right side, moves it up ahead. From the right wing, he moves it to the middle. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Hammers it on net. Long jam in front. That's broken up. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Giroux. Takes a shot. That's turned aside for the blocker. On the one-timer. Big stop by the keeper. Canada's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Oh, what a stop! Team Canada's had the better scoring opportunities, and lots of them, which is why they lead in a big way here in the second. Belarus wins the draw. Picking up some steam at center ice. Lets it fly. And that's stopped by the goaltender using his head this time. Moves it quickly over to Hall. Directed over to Doughty. Quick feed to Stamkos. Right out front. Denies him. Takes the feed at the point. Takes the feed. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. And he was slowed up. Hooking looks to be the call as the official's arm goes up in the air. Pretty cut and dry from up here, and the officials saw it firsthand with hooking the call.
It's a penalty of being in bad position, and I think when you impede a player like this, they should call the hooking penalty every time.
Another scoring opportunity looms here.
They've been successful on the power play already, James, so now you get another opportunity. Do not relax. Go pile it on and get another one.
Here's a short pass to Stamkos. Off a stick. Team Belarus is across the blue line. And a poke check knocks the puck away. Back at the point, they set it up. Puts it to the front of the net, and that one's broken up. Fires it into the offensive zone. Canada's gained possession along the boards. Sagan's got it along the wing. And he loses control of the puck. And sends it just out of reach. Moves the puck. With possession along the wall. Looks to make a play over to McDavid. Here they come on the attack. Sends it across. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone.
Even though they don't get one on the power play here, they still have a comfortable lead. The one thing you don't want to do is give up a shorthanded goal. Maybe that sparks the other team a little bit.
Handles the puck at the point. Moves the puck along the half wall. Here's a chance right out in front. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Carries it in. Nice pass. Sends it over. What a great read breaking up the pass.
No need to try and force the puck. You have the lead. Make a smarter high percentage play.
Scrum along the boards as they battle for the puck. Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone. Look out. Here's a 2-on-0. Big time stop on the break.
Goalie came out, matched the shooter's speed, and shut down the chance.
Team Canada's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Denied by the goaltender. Belarus has it in the defensive end. Carries it across the line. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. Ahead of steam now towards the front. Steps in with the block. Sagan's got it against the boards. And now he angles it across to Pietrangelo. And now he moves it to Subban. And he slides it quickly to Sagan. Takes a shot. And the lane's clogged up, blocking that. Sends the pass over. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. Dumps it in. Canada's got the puck along the boards. Slides the puck over. Along the half wall with the puck. Great read to break up the play. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And that's intercepted. Bergeron's tripped up and the official's hand is in the air signaling penalty. And he's heading to the box for 2 for tripping on this one.
This is such a bad penalty to take because you put yourself in a bad spot. A player falls down, now you're cooked. You go to the box.
Well, he's got 2 minutes to think about it now. And the man advantage unit goes right back to work.
Here's another power play for them, James. They've already scored on the power play tonight, so they must have some pretty good feel for it. They also have to be aware the penalty killers will adjust. They will have to too.
Takes it across the blue line. Takes that pass back at the point. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. Denied by the goaltender.
When you're the offensive player, it seems like so much more work when you got to go hunt the puck down in the corner. That's a good save.
With the stop. Team Canada's been dominating at all ends of the ice, especially offensively here late in the second. McDavid's won the draw. With the blast, turns it aside with the save. Canada's been an impressive club to watch tonight, especially offensively, as they lead big here late in the second. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. And makes the save. Quick pass to McDavid. Moves the puck down low. Scooped up along the wall by Giroux. Oh, what a save on the one-timer! Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Team Canada's got the puck along the wall. Puck moved over to McDavid. Slides it across. Gives them nothing in front.
Yeah, he makes a nice save here with the glove, as you mentioned, but he's able to hang on to it. That's a tough save from this position on the ice.
Canada's got to be happy with where their game is at so far tonight as they continue to lead big here late in the second. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Over the line they come. And that's broken up. Feeds the puck to Giroux. Takes the pass. And that's blocked. Stopped by the goaltender.
No room for the shooter. The goaltender snuffed it out.
Point-to-point pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. With the blast. Turns him away. Move to the middle. Shot off target. Team Canada's got a hold of it along the wall. Puts it on net. Oh, he gets a piece of it with the glove. Nice poke check. Here they come on the attack. Pass right on the doorstep. Takes it in front. Oh, what a glove save.
That's in a dangerous spot. He makes a good save here.
Canada's been dominating at all ends of the ice, especially offensively here late in the second. Bergeron's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Moves it to Marchand. Moves it around along the half wall. And that one's broken up. Carries it in. Here's a chance out front, and that one's broken up. Now a quick pass to Bergeron. And nearing the final minute of the second.
Second period.
Takes the feed. Knocked away. Grabbed along the boards by Bergeron. And it's a quick pass to Hall. Moves the puck. Grabs the puck. On the attack along the boards. We got a delayed call coming up here as the referee raises his hand. Chabot's going off to the box for 2 minutes.
A lot of times the player won't think that's even a penalty, but you go that far to make the hit, the referee's radar goes up.
Team Belarus is sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Right to the middle, and that one's broken up by a great defensive play. And manages to clear the zone. And that's all she wrote on period number 2 in this one. It's been a spanking thus far. 4-0 is where we sit after 40.
Hey fans, don't forget to get the seats you want, the games you want by purchasing one of our 6-game ticket packets today.
Don't go anywhere. Third period is just around the corner. Welcome back, everyone. Both teams lined up at center ice, and we are ready to get this third period underway. Team Canada's shorthanded unit gets off to a good start. They win the draw and take early possession. Belarus gets the puck near the boards. Into the offensive zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Gets it out of his own end. And the goalie comes out to play the puck. Nice pass. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. Team Belarus has got the puck inside the defensive zone. Takes the feed. Lets it go. Gets in front of it. Moves the puck across to Bergeron. And manages to clear the zone. And he heads outside the comfort zone now to go play the puck in his own end. Takes the feed from the wing. Quick feed to Tavares. Tavares gains the zone. Weber's got the puck. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Receives the pass. They've got numbers. Moves it quickly over to Giroux. Quick feed to Giroux. Comes up with the stop. Shot. Oh, wow! What a save with the glove.
Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Canada's offense has been a thing to watch tonight as they lead it big time here early in the third. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to McDavid. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Dished on over to Subban. Can't maintain possession after that hit. And not much on that one. Intercepted. Shot right in front. Misses wide of the net. And he's tripped up on the play. Referee's hand goes up here. Let's see what the official makes for the final decision. He's going off for tripping, and doesn't everybody feel like they're innocent on a trip?
You feel like you're innocent on most every penalty, but this one always feels like, nah, did you really have to call it?
Time for the power play unit to get back to work.
Hey, another power play for them. They've been successful tonight. I don't think they changed the script much here.
Hammers the shot. He scores, putting the special in special teams tonight.
The extra work they've done, the way that they've moved some people around, has helped them cash in more than once on the power play. Wow, the face-off. That snaps back cleanly. The one-timer is pounded into the net. If you've got a couple of centers that can win face-offs, this gives you some options on the draw. This time, it's one quick win, and it's in the net.
And they're going to mix it up between the pipes here.
I would say there's some relief here. He's been ventilated tonight. Now he gets to go take a break.
Team Canada's goal-scoring abilities have been on full display so far this evening and here in the third.
Really impressive display. They've moved the puck well, skated, really forecheck. Well, there's really nothing they haven't done tonight.
Number 91.
With possession along the wall.
Assisted by number 70.
Sends it across the ice. Great heads-up play by the defender.
Crosby. Time of the goal. 3 minutes, 28 seconds.
Hall's got it in the corner. Quick pass to Hall. One-time blast, and that's blocked away. Stamkos will play it from the side. Stopped by the goaltender. The turnover, here they come. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
Stop one, stop two. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves.
Headman pass. Canada's got a hold of it against the wall. And now it's over to Stamkos. Stamkos has the puck against the half wall. Puts it on goal. Denies him on the play. Intercepts it at center.
Team Canada's had excellent foot and stick positioning tonight. Their bodies are in the right place, their sticks are in the right place, and they intercept another pass. McKinnon's got to know right before he takes this hit that he's going to get run over.
Team Canada's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Canada's gained possession along the boards. And now he tries to get it across to Seguin. Sends it to the opposite corner. Sends the pass over. Carries it across the line. Handles it along the blue line. Slides the puck over. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck.
Man, James, sorry, I didn't see that coming. I didn't see the defender step right into that hit.
Officials stopped the play, finally allowing the injured player to get off the ice. Team Canada's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Marchand's taking it from his own end. Moves it to Burns. Move to the middle. Belarus has the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Along the half wall with the puck. Dishes it to Marchand. Marchand's carrying it ahead. Tried to get too cute with it and loses possession.
He's got good hands, but I think he overdoes it a bit here. Now he doesn't have the puck anymore.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Slides the puck down low. Shot. Shuts him down. Feeds the puck to Marchand. Into the offensive end now. Feeds it down low. Team Belarus has got the puck along the boards. Angles it over to Doughty. And that one's broken up. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Shot wide. Right on the doorstep. And that's taken by the defense. Here's an odd man rush to his teammate. And that one's stopped. Belarus looks to break out in their own end. Moves it around along the half wall. Back to the blue line. Takes the pass. Moves it quickly over to Giroux. Tavares takes it across the line. Big time defensive play. Takes the feed. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Centering pass. Here's a chance right in the slot. Good hit. Quick feed to Tavares. Lets it fly. Makes the save. Team Belarus is looking to break out of their own end. Big hit, absolutely lowering the boom.
He closed so fast, there was nowhere for him to go.
On the attack along the boards. Canada's got the puck in their own end. Hall's got the puck along the wing. They've got the defense outnumbered. Here's the pass. Picks up the puck in his own end. Moves the puck. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Back to the point it goes. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Great positioning in the defensive end. Belarus takes possession of the neutral zone. Nice pass. Rocks him on the play. Team Canada's got a hold of it along the wall. Shabbat's got it on the offensive end. Trying to break free. Great stop by the goaltender.
Positioning and quickness. That's the day right there. Canada's been so aggressive, they take it away all the time and space from their opponents, and they've stretched their lead.
Canada's showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. McKinnon's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender. Team Belarus has got the puck along the wall. Picks it up. Here we go. Knocked off the puck. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Moves it on over to Seguin. Sagan's got it across the line. Centering pass. The backhand turns it away.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Off the boards and up the middle now. Puts it up front. Smart heads up play to neutralize the threat.
You're going to take a chance once in a while if your team's trailing.
Whacks it into the offensive zone. Handles it again. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Reads it. Perfect. Trying to shake loose. All alone. What a save on the play. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Bergeron. Quick feed down low. Slides the puck down low. Misses.
Get it on the cage. Make the goalie do something with it.
Scoops up the puck now. With possession along the wall. Good defensive stop with the poke check. Takes it across the blue line. And skilled use of the stick to poke the puck away. Player goes down to the ice. There's the referee's hand in the air. Looks like we got a tripping penalty on the way. Looks like tripping the call.
Sometimes they're lazy, sometimes they're just bad luck.
Another chance here on the man advantage.
Doesn't matter whether you've had 1 or 10 power plays. The fundamentals of it are the same. Win the draw, get the puck to the point, try and spread the penalty killers out.
2 minutes.
Pass back to the point. Moved in front, and that's picked off. Picks it off, they go back on the attack. And that one's broken up. Gets it out of his own end. Belarus will play it from behind the net. Over the line they come. Puts it on net. Stones him with the blocker. Team Canada's got a hold of it against the wall. And manages to clear the zone. Team Belarus has got the puck inside the defensive zone. Long lead pass into the neutral zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Can't connect. Grabs the puck here inside the offensive end. Gets it out of his own end. Power play set to expire. One last chance here, Ray.
Yeah, quick entry will give them some time in the offensive zone.
Centering pass. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Oh, I think he wants that one back.
Didn't miss it by much. He gets lots on it, beats the goaltender, but just wide.
Along the half wall with the puck. And now he angles it across. What a shot! He scores!
Oh, man, the goalie thought he had this covered, James. You can tell from his body language, but it beats him, hits the post, and goes in. He's probably got about 2 seconds from the time that puck's delivered to find it. He can't see it, so he drops into the butterfly and hopes it hits him.
Canada's lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
And he gains the zone here. Takes the feed at the back end. Knocked away. Here's a short pass to Burns. And now he moves it to Giroux. Here they are on the attack. Looks to set up at the point now. Makes the save. Team Canada's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and lead it big time late in this third period. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Here they come on the attack. Fires one on goal and makes the save. Canada's gained possession along the boards. Almost down to the final minute here in this third. Move to the middle, and that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Burns plays it against the boards. Quick pass to Doughty. Great save! Takes the feed. Oh, a clutch save! Move to the middle. That's a slash on that play, and the referee's all over it. Takes the feed at center and moves forward. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Puts it on net. Too much congestion in front. Here comes the official's call. Doughty's getting called for slashing.
The sound the slash makes off the equipment alerts the referee. If you're going to slash him, look for the spot with no padding.
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And he comes up with it. And manages to clear the zone. Sends it in deep. Team Canada's got possession while undermanned. Gets it out of his own end. Belarus gets the puck near the boards. That's a solid hit. Moves it around along the half wall. And that's picked off in front. And there it is! Well, you post a goose egg, it makes it a lot easier when you're chasing a win, Ray.
It's pretty simple that if your goalie's this good, you can take a chance somewhere. You feel like you're always covered behind you, and he was lights out again tonight.
He sure was. For my broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cybulski. Thanks so much for joining us. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.